I am standing at Irving, Texas. Today is 14th of August. Tomorrow is Independence Day. We Indians here in Irving, Dallas, Fort Worth community has come together to talk about the Jan Lokpal bill, which has been, which Anna Hazare and his team are trying to put together in India as a bill. And there has been a tug of war going on between the current administration in India and the Indian government has come up with their Lokpal bill, which we call the Jokpal. So the community here is gathered to show the support to Anna Hazare. Even we are so far away from India, we all are one, we all are together, we all are united to support the Jan Lokpal bill. Jai Hind.
Zindabad! Inkılap! Zindabad! Inkılap!
Zindabad!
Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki!
Jai! Jokpal! Hi, hi!
Jokpal!
Hi, hi! Jokpal!
Jokpal! Anna Hazare! Zindabad!
Anna
Zindabad!
Zindabad!
Sival! Manish Tiwari!
Murdabad!
Manish Tiwari!
Murdabad!
Sonia Gandhi!
Manmohan Chacha!
Hi, hi!
Manmohan Chacha!
Hi, hi!
Manmohan Chacha!
Hi, hi! Down, down!
Down, down!
Gathered here, because we're all inside, we're Indians. Really, we all want a corruption-free India. That is what is the real emotion behind all this. But emotion alone doesn't help us fight against corruption. We have to add intellectual thoughts to it. So really, we need to understand what the government bill is and what Jan Lokpal bill is. So we need to educate ourselves about the differences between each of them. And we should really, educate all our friends about it and bring about awareness about this, the first thing. And the first time when Anna Hazare went for fast, the government reacted to it and they asked them to come in and, discuss the bill. But it was in closed doors. They didn't even allow them to record what that is. They didn't do anything to bring public awareness, and they were pretty arrogant about not accepting what Jan Lokpal bill wanted. So this time when Anna Hazare is on fast, I really wish that they will have a live debate, open debate from all parties, where they will discuss every aspect of the bill and bring in people's opinion. There's a wide divide between what the representative is saying and what the people want. So the gap should be filled and the people's voice should be brought to Parliament. And Jai Hind.
I wanted to say something.
She want to say something. Go ahead.
Yeah, I think that being outside India, we can do two things. One is create awareness and the second is donate things. Today we are here and we all are trying at our level to create awareness. But I think everyone is facing some of the issue. Let us discuss them so that we can reach more and more people. Because it's the time we have to unite. Because if there is no unity, if we are not more in numbers, we cannot get this bill. That's what I have to say. So each one of us, I would like to know that what are the issues you are facing in creating awareness. I see that many are just complacent with their life. And they are not they are not trying to come out so that we can find a solution to reach more people, to convince more people. So anyone